The Court of Appeal in Abuja has reserved judgment in the appeal filed by a former Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Martins Amaewhule, and 24 others against the Speaker, Victor Okojumbo, and 5 others. The appellate court adjourned after parties in the suit adopted all their briefs in the matter. At the proceeding that was conducted virtually on Thursday, that's today, Martins Amaewhule and others are asking the court to stay execution of a High Court judgment which saw them out of office and further proceedings in the suit, and that whatever decisions Mr. Jumbo has taken while in office should be set aside. They are also asking for accelerated hearing in the matter, while contending that the order made by the trial court was without jurisdiction. In their response, Mr. Amaewhule and others prayed the court to dismiss the appeal for lacking in merit on grounds that the records of appeal transmitted was incompetent. After listening to the submission of the lawyers in the appeal, the 3-man panel led by Justice Jimmy Olukayode-Bada reserved a date for judgment to be communicated to the parties in the suit. Staying with the courts, and this time in Kano State, where the Federal High Court has set aside all steps taken by the state government to repeal the Kano Emirate Council law enacted by the State House of Assembly, which empowered the state governor Abba Yusuf to dethrone Alhaji Aminu Ado Bayero as the Emir of Kano. The presiding judge, Justice A.M. Liman, in his ruling today, said the catastrophic situation would have been averted had the respondents complied with the court order giving on the need to maintain status quo ante prior to the repealing of the law. After the ruling, counsel to both parties in the case shared their thoughts on the outcome of the case.
The application made by the claimant, the plaintiff, I can say, that he wants this court to declare the law passed, legitimately passed by the State House of Assembly, that is Kano State House of Assembly, that is the second respondent, null and void. But this court clearly stated in its ruling that he doesn't have the wherewithal, the jurisdiction and the power to declare a law that's passed legitimately by the State House of Assembly. But he came to the conclusion and agreed that though the attitude of the first and the fourth defendants, that is the Kano State government and the Attorney General of Kano State, they are in disobedience of court order that was issued. That was the interim injunction that was earlier issued on 23rd day of May 2024. But what the law says, or the rules of the court says, that where there is violation of lawful court orders or directives, the court should commit that person after satisfying himself with proof, has to commit that person to prison, but not to declare any of the action is the illegal or null or void or whatever.
The court has nullified all steps taken after the order is made, and that those steps were taken in breach of the court order, and that is all. Subsequently, the court has granted stay of proceedings. Since the matter is before the Court of Appeal, no court can take any further steps until the Court of Appeal determines the case at the appeal before it on the issue of jurisdiction.
Okay.
So even the matter transferred to Court 2, the Court 2 cannot, that court cannot take any further step until the result of the outcome of the Court of Appeal. Okay. So the matter is now before the Court of Appeal. This is not the end of the matter.
Okay.
That is it.